All right, this is a quick tutorial on how to make your microbit Fitbit. So you're going to go into the microbit app. And again, from the microbit app, make sure that you click on create code. You're going to start a new project and you can call it Fitbit plus your last name. Okay. All right, so now when you've got this, the Fitbit is pretty straightforward to code because basically all that happens is that when it shakes, the step increases by 1. The main component or idea that we have to learn is something called a variable. And variable is just a container that stores a value that can change. So we're going to make a new variable. So again, I clicked on this red and clicked on make a variable, and I'm going to call it step. Okay, and now it adds a bunch of new blocks. So when I shake the Fitbit, I'm going to set step to step plus 1, or I could actually just change step by 1. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to show the step count, because that's essentially what a Fitbit does, right? So now when I test it on the emulator, I click this like little white shake. There we go. And now it is shaking, right? And so it's changing that step count. So now the other thing I could have, so you've got to make sure that it's working on here and then import that into your microbit. But before you take a video, because that's the assignment, you've got to take a video and upload it. I want you to add a feature to your Fitbit. So for example, when I hit my Fitbit goal, it shows like a little firework on my display, or it says something like congrats or something like that. So you decide what you want to do. Do you want it to play music after it hits a certain number of steps? Do you want it to show a display? Ultimately, what you'll need to use though is this logic block. So you could use either one of these, right? So this one or this one if you have a if else. So I want you to play with it. So maybe I'll do something like if, and when I go to logic, I want to use this block right here. And what I'll add is like if step is, and again, you decide what you want to do. Like don't make it too big because otherwise we'll never see the output of it. So like if I do, if step is greater than 5 or step is greater than, I don't know, let's say 10, maybe I'll have it show like a heart display, okay? So again, you decide what you want it to do. Do something different than what I've done right here. So let me go ahead and run this. Oh, I forgot to show the step number so that it should be showing the step. Here we go. All right, so now let's try it again. So now when I get up to 10, so it gets up to 10, but now when it goes up to 11, now it should show a heart display, right? So like now I know that I've beaten that goal. Maybe make multiple conditions. So if it gets over 20, then do something else. If it gets over 30, then do something else, okay? So go ahead and create that, import it or download it onto your onto your microbit, and then take a quick recording demonstrating what it does. Upload that to this Canvas assignment.